everyone, this is Alicia from Giving Youth Opportunities. Today we're in Inglewood, California at Circle Park celebrating our 4th annual Back to School giveaway. We wanted to make sure during these uncertain times that we're still here helping the community. Thank you so much to our sponsors for making this event possible today. Costco, we really appreciate you for donating all of the pizza today, as well as the printing paper for our backpacks. And also thank you Target for supplying the sanitizer and masks for all of our volunteers. We really appreciate you guys for helping us and supporting us in the community.